Etiano ensema honorable Adrenalante Vanderpoy ena wode sankomo we so wode etudwa. Mayenkwa omano so na fe yene eye Owura Kennedy Boache ansa ono ena na eye kasamafo edma kumase Asante Kotoko eye management a enche bia empenifo edisolve no na yene ne ending komo akra na fe yenhwe Asante Kotoko sen ena komo no esifa eti after say nei yese ya dissolve management no moving forward debe ena omonso ehwe nim ehonum Ken Martin.
Good morning. Apo man.
Yesu Adom na onso e.
Yanko pardon pa mesimo here pa.
Okay, me we said that what ball no smash na otum say Kotoko no still edidi umu pa.
Of course.
Well, yenhwe me pese me no ehia siesie Owura Alhaji Abulamin eye board member me no ka say onim say mpanifo enkron a yeyi wom no oka ho bi na enkomo bi a okodi ye me pese o hwe sa ensema wodi tu dwa na fe wi a ya to aso e de fro yentie ne ensema wodi tu dwa fa eye presentation a moban no ekoye e wo menhia
coming on board. I believe they are willing to help.
Yeah,
they are eager to do something for the club. They are all not happy with the state affairs of the club. And their presentation, presentation, because of Kotoko don't deserve to be like this. Kotoko supposed to except Kotoko couldn't change situation, but
I see.
Anya Banasa. It's no yako fiekesi munso. Utum foso ya. Kakre wetimbi anso kakachile. Kotoko ya a problem amano.
All right, enti Ken say utie Alhaji Abulamin board member Edma Asante Kotoko e na wapeja one kakra ma me Kotoko no moye ne sen a ama ise otumfo woda one day
Kobi minsa da sibium na ahwefo so mo hwa no pay wo Adom TV so ye che obibia na Kotoko supporters so nya so ye che obibia media me can say for the past 10 months me back Kotoko management me DNA SME I think the supporters no and I say million more media you are the best judges of my work. In terms of the appeal, I feel say not even appeal no so pay. We say very much say boy Green Africa against Kano Place Kumasi. Already the number of supporters in here.
Look at me sure ya na wapeja one kakra ma me why? Me sure wapeja one kakra ma me.
Yo Mate, let me say we hear much say a boy over the past 10 months and me by management no dia. And then normal you did to your unveil your beautiful strike jerseys any players for the season 2019-2020. Now here much say a boy the appeal the communication mantra by Kotoko be every day is a fabulous day. I am Kotoko and all that. I feel say we didn't have supporters in Kranchel be say Kotoko bibia in and I feel say even in terms of corporate appeal, can say na ye MTN sponsorship there. Do baby no spy, but I don't think it's a team in appealing and MTN as a brand commercial to us near adjuma. The same applies to other sponsors in anti fine yeah film there. Emira so say ye free management mo. This is a time I say near Kaboom. Na baby ya edit na kudu no. Omo mbesa aba biem na ebesa abo omo so na yetimiditi na kudu mpempen so a ebedum rebi no sebi enkoye tipai bi ama mpanifo a omo da tim na no nti for me personally I feel say tinu near bad sir.
Okay, who can about who dia o de beka Kotoko ho which of course metiase essence who now your communication director Edma Boboko no and odia wo cheche mu bosume be sensia wo kan sena net ye ukomu nankasa no ekwan na mpanifo fa so run club no ube reti ni sen.
Oh, I think the best judges near in Central for near supporters and in form with that team.
Yeah, intimi best judges because Abulamin
obetima Kobe obetima
wono a board member and as say no wakom watena chire osanso onim so Kotoko supporter pa team ne dana akoma so enti wo so free mobile no obeka ne sen
Oh, Kobe, I'm saying with the state of the club now. Finances, any BBR. And I think, sir, do baby, some of the things are, would have to meet as a group as supporters. Na in Yan Kambwa, na baby, a team no be a could do ya if we say any no. You say I'm penning for Sabe, and here I swear free no. Say Sakabum, na you pay that team could do pen so. A bit in the beginning, I could beer. We can pull our chest out and say, so dear, me a boa Kotoko.
Okay, but enkomono ye communicating ni say na mamo time e beto dwa say ye dissolve management no ye kan say na kire o.
Oh, yenya akushi Kumasi. In fact, if you Kumasi be doing Krenwa and Renume, Dr. Kwame Chia or board chairman, MET management in so your management, Namisa Georgia Mako, and na Edano, and Mr. Georgia Makusi, a team Dr. Chumesi, Nana Kwame Dankwa, Nana Koka, Perusha, and me Kenneth Bochansa, Dr. Chi, any Shia. Na atmosphere ye meeting na bibia na sumbu pa ye we say unlike be previous times I better say be Kotoko adwuma be dissolve management be better in medium we the board chairman angasa meeting management ni na sports hotel or die say moi the abone mu bi abelshim be 10 months ni e be so were around a bit longer into what the nya say yes so mo akakra so de be bo Kotoko no apedactive na kudum pempen so ofri say nyese bia onu free say but akonu mrebia say yes am be team to another level into that say edi bibia to enemy na yeso da na say o my an opportunity to serve this great club and trust me obi bia nu a wo show abufu and say na nkomotwetwe na bibia e course pa nti yeso da otumfo ase ye da Dr. Kwame Chia ase ye da board members ni na ase so my an opportunity to serve Asante Kotoko.
And they say there o ne wo ma wie ana wo hwe nim say board ya bai omo yi management fofra e be sande adwuma na hye wonsa say communication director.
Kobe, first and foremost me a Kotoko supporter and that's the most important thing. Say me want management mu bi mu and I say mini management mu bi mu there on empenifo na bit match.
Okay.
At any given time bia so a empenifo be fresh say yemfa your talent me bo Asante Kotoko. Need to support the team in diverse ways.
Okay. All right. Ken, we the medasi ene anope ombre nso a onso odi ama me. Nyame ka ho na wanya okese. Nyame yatuma enchemu bia nso ho. Me bana yato ankomo ne so.
But I said, be one that me share nose mask. COVID-19 it is still real. And to Kotoko supporters in Israel, we are the greatest asset of the club. And to ahye and she champagne for that to prevent COVID-19. Yes, so BBI supporters in we say Kotoko supporters omo guy pa and to tem bia and when your nose mask bia na wash now our homes soap and soap with running water and as a hand sanitizer when bia now our homes now nose mask in the tem bia and yen she say Kotoko your supporters near players near management near board any men champagne phone na omo obi am so mo pa MIE enti ya da obi bia se na min sha Kotoko phone nyina
Kennedy Buachiansa ena yene no ekodi nkomo edefa eye omo dwumedi a omo so de aba na wiye e Kumase Asante Kotoko ena wote se wode ne nsem etudwa na wani egusu a wo hwe no mayemfa ndase yemfa ma Jifas mixture eye edro sonko ade bia meka wansem ede echiro mechiro onim se oye bema oye oba wadro eno eye Jifas mixture yeka edro bakwa eye antibacterial heba eye medicine dia na se Jifas ena edimo entintima pa meka wasem ede echiro ebia osisi ena ye oya mechiro wadro no eye Jifas mixture sanso ena oye oba na ukonfichira na fe obia ate wonka anase eyaw ewo mu dia mechiro odia ne se obepe Jifas mixture bi na wanonom ebeboa pa esanso esiesio kama pa eyi enkaboni bia enso edifri wasenti bomode ada se obepe edre echira kwan wo eye Kingswalk heba eno ewo okanshi okowa obenya edre bi na onso wachimi ato sanso ena Colina heba shop eno nso ewo eye Kumase Ashtown okowa nso a obenya edre bi na wachimi ato na esiesio ye pa obechimi afre telephone number nso a mede etudwa ede amawe 020 368 9888 030 368 9888 and I say ubetimi afre 0261 319 895 na say onu omo so na AD and South so Jeffas was a papa one more and a techira no pay yede agudie mu nsem no yede ebedan emare fi say Eric ese dupuati enso ebete chire say producer ehye nsemi yede ebrewo Sergio Manocho Spirit Recovery na eko ede ama wo midin ede Cobblestone okumankra baako amaka ensuroja edura enyo mame fandase no ema all the wonderful members of the crew Jackson enafe ampedu ene eye me beautiful camera lady and they ono so ebo adwumaden pa ede ema nyame nka ho nyame adoma obesanche menka bi makra mo nyina